everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I am going to prune this plant, the Ficus lyrata. I have decided to do this because it has lost already so many leaves on the downside of the stem. So I'm just going to prune it somewhere on the stem, have it rooted and then start again with this beautiful plant. Furthermore, it would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Use pruning scissors to make a cut on the stem. Remove the lowest leaf and dried parts from the cutting. Some plant sap will come out of the vascular tissue, the xylem and phloem. It is best to dry this off with a paper tissue. Put the cutting in a glass of water to start the rooting process. You can also cut off the piece of stem where there are barely any leaves left. Now it is time to wait for new growth. After 14 weeks, you see plenty of new growth on the mother plant. 3 branches have formed with a lot of new leaves. This is the result on the cutting after 14 weeks. It has formed some great roots. This plant can now be repotted into a pot with some potting soil mixture. In this mixture is coco peat, bark and perlite. Thank you for watching this video on how I pruned the Ficus lyrata. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!